and welcome to Copenhagen. We just arrived here after a very early morning flight and now we just got ready. We are at the AC Hotel Bella by Marriott and it's really nice. I love the room. And we're now heading to the city center to explore a little bit. I'm so excited because we already had a breakfast, but we are really interested in trying these cardamom pastries. Apparently they're really famous. So yeah, let's see what Copenhagen brings. OTD, it's August and there are less than 20 degrees. Apparently it's also raining, what you would expect in Copenhagen, obviously. So one layer to stay warm. T-shirt. This is also a bit thicker, but I love the color. And then my only beloved jeans and New Balance. Feel good. I'm really loving it. The coffee is amazing because also they use Oatly barista, which is delicious. Obviously for me it's the best on the market. And it's been raining so bad for so long and so we've been trying to just escape the rain. Just been to the Natural History Museum, which was also a really nice experience. Especially for what we paid in Copenhagen, I would say. So far so good, except the rain. We're gonna having a cappuccino in the afternoon. Not very Italian on me, I know, but still. It's hot and delicious. And then we're heading back to the hotel, getting ready, resting a little bit because it was an early wake up this morning. And then I guess tonight we're gonna go for some drinks and dinner outside.
Expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone who's the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here. Can we just stay here?
So it's day 2 in Copenhagen and I had the most gorgeous breakfast. We went to Hart, I think it was called Alhida to eat the most gorgeous pastries. We had a cardamom pastry and citrus cinnamon roll. Everything was so special. I think here patisserie and bakery is on really the next level, has reached the next level. We are now heading to the Little Mermaid in the main canal of the city, and yeah, so it's really beautiful with this weather. Everything looks even more beautiful, and then we're gonna just walk there, take some pictures of course, and then head over to lunch but later because I'm so full from the pastries that I need some time to walk. But it's really beautiful because we've been walking and with this weather is perfect. It's not too hot. I think there are maximum 23-25 degrees, so it's really perfect to walk. It feels like a spring day, so it's really beautiful, and I feel we can really enjoy the city much better. And so everyone here is also so friendly at cafes, bakeries. Everyone speaks English, which is amazing, also for tourists. So yeah, so far so good.
I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all the lonely nights, you were always there at the same damn bar. I just never looked your way, and I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Looking into your eyes, blue. When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things. Yeah, I can be a mess, but you somehow like me for me. And all your friends are wasted. You wanna stay here? Oh, we should just stay here. Maybe.
Ready to head over for dinner. Very excited. This is my makeup. We have dinner planned at Middle East restaurant, and then we are gonna go to a bar for drinks. So yeah, I'm really enjoying to put during this holiday this shiny lip gloss, which throws me back to my teenage years actually. So it's a little bit 90s. So yeah, let's see what the evening brings. That's the outfit of the day. Thought this is really cute and colorful. Then obviously black, and then I have my little loafers. I love them. Got them in France. I'm very curious to see how the nightlife in Copenhagen is, because the city is actually really calm during the day, and it looks like a very chill and kind of hipster city. But yeah, so I think we'll go to a bar later, so I really want to see what is the vibe there, how are the drinks, if there is anything interesting or fancy or very tasteful that I can recommend. So yeah, let's go.
Ja, tak lige måde.
We have been blessed with nice weather in the past 2 days. It's still very windy, which I must say I don't mind too much because the temperature is still high. So yeah, so excited to eat now. I'm starving and it's like 12 a.m. No, 11 a.m. So it's time for breakfast, coffee. Coffee's been really good as well. Everyone uses oatmeal. Everyone uses oat milk, which is amazing because Munich is not always like that. And yeah, excited to explore in another day here in Copenhagen. another very big bonus point is that today is Sunday, but everything is open. So supermarkets, shops, of course restaurants, cafe. But this is something very unusual in Munich, in Germany in general probably. So I'm very happy about it. The royal gardens are always such a nice place to be. You can walk and just get lost around here. There are quite some people, but it's not overcrowded, so it's really nice actually. Also not too hot at the moment. I've been enjoying it so much.